Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Word Online. What we're actually going to use is Google Drive, and this lets you open up and edit Microsoft Word documents and also download them to your computer as Microsoft Word documents so that you can send them someplace else. The advantages of this is, one, that it's free, but two, it also gives you access to your documents no matter where you are or what computer that you're on. So here we are inside of Microsoft Word, and I've got a document already set up here called Resume. And we can open that up real quick, and it looks pretty much just like it's inside of Microsoft Word. You can select words and edit them. And if you come back here, to create a document like this, you push the Create button and just select Document. And it will allow you to create a Microsoft Word style document. To download it, click on the document, and when it opens up, come up to here to the File menu and say Download As, and it gives you a whole mess of different options to download. You can select Microsoft Word, OpenOffice on RTF, or a PDF. And a PDF I like a lot because it's really transportable. You can hand it to a client or to a job prospect or something like that, and they're pretty much guaranteed to be able to open it no matter what they've got. But let's download it as a Microsoft Word document, and you see that it downloads right onto my computer, and we'll click it, and it opens right up inside of Microsoft Word exactly the same way that it looked on Google Drive. I hope you've enjoyed this quick video on how to open up Microsoft Word documents online. I'm Josiah Ray.